When the Prophet ﷺ entered the Kaaba, he invoked Allah in each and every side of it, and did not offer the salat till he came out of it. And offered a 2 rakat prayer facing the Kaaba and said, "This is the Qibla." Al Hadith Bukhari Sharif, book number 1, hadith number 391.